Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to scale crypto loans safely on CoinRabbit. Scaling crypto loans is not just about borrowing more, it's about growing your position without increasing your liquidation risk. On CoinRabbit, where loans are overanalyzed and flexible, key is balancing loan to value, market volatility and liquidity so you can expand safely without losing assets. Open any of the browser. On the top there's an address bar, guide on coinrabbit.io and enter it over here. Then go to this My Wallet in the top right. And once you get into this interface, go to this loan in the left hand side here and start with a low LTV, your safety foundation. You can select your collateral, and under this LTV here, crypto loans are typically over collateralized, meaning you borrow less than your collateral value. The safe zone would be the 30 to 50% LTV, which is on the lowest side at the 50, and the risky zone is above the 60, 80 and the 90%. And lower LTV is the bigger buffer against the price drops, and if the market dips, you won't get liquidated quickly. And you can also use a top up or repay strategy under this wallet here. You can simply go to this top up, and when scaling, if market drops, add collateral top up, and if interest rises, repay partially. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.